my name is Reva Pokharna. I've recently qualified as a CPA. I'm a BCom graduate and pursuing MCom, and I am based in Pune right now. Actually, I was struggling in my CA inter, so I had to look forward to something like to get somewhere else. I saw CPA and I saw Miles, and I had a conversation with Uma ma'am, and she kind of guided me to go into this. I researched also, I talked with you guys, and then I decided to do CPA because it was 4 papers and it was kind of easy for me to do it. Understand the syllabus carefully. Understanding is the most important part, I think so. Understanding is key. Practice the simulations, practice the MCQs. Do go through Varun sir's lectures also. It's very helpful to go through Varun sir's lectures as well. If you have doubts, go to the mentors. But I will say Varun sir's lectures and understanding the syllabus is the key. Oh, they are really happy because I have never seen my father that happy, or like my father was really happy. Yeah, he's not in Pune right now. He's out of India, so I couldn't get his reaction face to face. But mom is with him, and mom is like, "Your dad is really happy. I've never seen him this happy." CPA matlab miles.